In this video, we're going to learn how to change the blade in the Slice industrial knives, the manual 10559 and the auto retract 10560. Today we're going to look at the Slice industrial handles, the 10559 manual retract and the 10560 auto retract. These handles come standard with our 10538 rounded tip 4-inch blade, and they also have the option to take our 10539 pointed tip blade. I'm going to show you how to change the blade as well as how to configure the handles for left-handed or right-handed people. The 10559 manual retract is very easy to change the blade. You extend the blade, flip it to the other side where you'll find the blade change button. It's currently configured for a left-handed person with the edge facing in to the left. To change it for a right-handed person, simply hold down the button, change the direction of the edge to the right side for right-handed, press the button, slide the blade back in, and now it's configured for right-handed people. By default, all of our handles come with rounded tip blades and are configured for right-handed usage. If you want to flip to the other side of the blade to get more blade life, you simply hold down the button, remove the blade, flip it to the other side, hold down the button again, slide the blade in, and release. Very simple. It's worth mentioning that the 4-inch blades actually extend a full 3 inches out of the industrial knife handles. For the 10560 auto retract, it's a little trickier. You have to hold the slider button out while you depress the blade change button. In this case, it's configured for a right-handed person with the edge facing to the right. To change the configuration for a left-handed person, hold down the button, pull the blade out, change the edge of the blade facing to the left, slide the blade in, release the button, pull back the slider, and now you're set up for left-handed. Conversely, if you want to change it for a right-handed person, execute the slider, hold down the button, pull the blade out, flip the direction of the blade to the right, slide it in, you'll feel it click, let go of the button and pull the slider back, and you're good to go for right-handed use. And that's how to change the blade for our Slice industrial handles, both our manual 10559 and the auto retract 10560. Thanks for watching this video. Please feel free to subscribe to our channel, leave your comments below, we'd love to hear from you, and click on the bell icon so you'll be notified of our latest videos.